So because I was trained as an industrial engineer, I always believed that a great idea solves a problem, right? It solves a need of some sort. And that is the power for me of a great idea, is that it solves something. But more importantly is that you can implement that idea, right? That is the power of an idea. I think an idea is just a spark that's going to create a whole fire. But if that spark is going to fizzle out, then there's no power behind it. So it needs to solve a need. It needs to solve a problem in a meaningful way as well, right? Because you can solve a problem and create another problem. So for me, it needs to be implementable, and it needs to be solving some fundamental need and problem.